video. Today we are going to be making chicken piccata. Delicious recipe. I'm excited to make it. Cut our pieces of chicken breast. Cut them into pieces like this. Flat them a little. I'm going to bread it. I'm going to cook it in olive oil and butter mixture. We have lemon juice, we have one more lemon, we have salt, we have pepper, we have butter, and we have parsley. So when we come back, we'll show you what it looks like. Let's get started. We're going to flip it 4 minutes on one side, 3 minutes on the other. When we're done cooking all our chicken, we'll come back and show you guys. We're going to add in our garlic now. We're going to cook it in the same oil that we cooked the chicken in. Brown. When we come back, we're going to add the stuff with lemon juice and our chicken broth. Okay, when we come back, we're going to add 1 cup of chicken broth. We're going to add in our 1/3 of a cup of lemon juice. Oil, and then we're going to simmer it down for a little bit. Cook it for about 6 minutes. Add a little butter in it. Add our chicken. A little salt and pepper. And last, we're going to serve it with fresh lemons slices. Okay, welcome back. We just added some butter in there, about 2 tablespoons of butter. Cook that in there. Mix it around. Then we're going to add our chicken. We're going to cook it for about 6 minutes. Let it cook for about 6 minutes.